Hello guys, welcome to amazing world of manufacturing. Guys, you probably know Nutella is a incredibly tasty and potentially healthy spread that tops line of breakfast, food and dessert. If you are a fan of Nutella, you will undoubtedly enjoy this video that goes behind the scene and shows the different ingredients that go into Nutella and how it is made in the factory. The process for making Nutella begins with extraction of cocoa powder from the cocoa bean, which are harvested from the cocoa trees in West Africa and left to dry about 10 days. Typically, cocoa beans contains approximately 50% of cocoa butter. Therefore, they are must be roasted to reduce the cocoa bean into a liquid form. This butter is often taken away to be used for chocolate products. The following ingredient is hazelnut, which are inspected to ensure they are of sodium quality. The hazelnut used in Nutella come from hazelnut orchards, which are mainly found in Mediterranean type climate, and it comes from different parts of the world. The main origins are Turkey, Italy, Chile and the USA. Turkey, Black Sea region is the world's largest producer of hazelnut. The harvester takes places between the beginnings of August and the end of September. To ensure the availability of quality and fresh hazelnut cultivation also takes place in countries in the southern hemisphere to provide an additional harvest from February to March. Once they have been roasted, they are added to a mixture of pure cocoa powder, skimmed milk and sugar. These ingredients are mixed together into a smooth paste and sent for packing. Approximately 50 hazelnuts can be found in each jar of Nutella as claimed by the company. This ensures that each jar of Nutella is uniform in its look and taste. So guys, I hope you will enjoy this making video process of Nutella. How did you love this video? Do tell us by commenting in below and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.